I was very happy to be invited to perform in a concert na hindi sa akin. Billy Crawford invited me to sing in his concert at talaga namang nakakataba ng puso ang ipinakitang galak ng mga fans ni Billy sa aking performance. To Billy Crawford and all his adoring fans, maraming salamat po.
Guest po ako ngayon sa concert po ng napakagaling, ilan po sa mga magagaling na performers na iniidolo ko. Ganda-ganda na makeup ko. It's done by the one and only Miss Christine Duque. And of course, my hair, styled by Jeffrey Aramin. Yeah.
Very energetic sila as a tandem. So talagang what I did is I added color, which is not the usual. Which is not the usual, like the safe, the browns and the grays. So nagdagdag ako ng konting kulay. Kumbaga mas fun ang look niya ngayon. Mas relaxed, pero mas fun. Very very MTV, ganon. Since she's wearing all black, I decided to use parang like a teal, like parang a bright blue, like an electric blue color. So yon. Then her lips, I just chose to make it like a pale pink para mag-contrast naman, para hindi naman sobra because Sarah's still young, so I still want to keep that really fresh look.
Siyempre, I'm truly honored na po to be part of his concert. At saka itong 25 years niya in the business, na maging bahagi ako ng concert na ito. I'm really privileged po to be here. Si Billy Crawford ako. Saludo ako sa'yo. Napakagaling mo, but despite being a professional talaga at being a great performer, you remain humble at talagang kind to everyone, sa lahat talaga, to your supporters, sa iyong mga kaibigan, katrabaho dito sa show business. Kaya, mabuhay ka, Billy Crawford. Mahal ka namin.
Well, I think Sarah is one of the country's most amazing performers. Sarah's genuinely heart is really into performing. Tagal na. And I remember Janet Jackson when I see her. I remember Celine Dion when I see her. I remember Beyonce when I see her. Just all genres and all types of music kaya niyang gawin. And bottom line is, she's also so humble. Kaya blessed na blessed yung taong yun. Kaya I asked her if she can be a part of my 25th anniversary.
Yes po. Tapos na po aking performances. Ayun, uuwi na rin po kami in a while. Yun. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations, Billy. We love you. Galing mo, idol.
If there's one thing I like about promotions, ito yung mall tours. Dito ko kasi nakakasama at nakakasalamuha ang mga taong sumusuporta sa akin. I truly adore my fans, kaya with the recent X-Play Mall show, tuwang-tuwa ako. Thanks, X-Play!
Today we are having the SM Mall Tour singing audition for Superstar. Yes, this is where this is a qualifying round where we can invite anyone to join us and then sing online. After that, they will perform on stage and then they will be judged by our panel of judges. Superstar is the first 3D video karaoke online game. You can play this anywhere, at home or at the internet cafe, basta may internet lang kayo.
Galing po kasi kaming school, dapat po kakain kami. So, pero nakita po namin yung tatak na Superstar. So, parang naisip ko po parang contest nga po. So, nagpila po kami ng form and then, ayun po. Gusto ko pong ma-improve yung talent ko and then mapakita sa ibang tao kung anong meron ako. Talagang idol ko po talaga si Sarah Geronimo. Nanonood po ko ng lahat ng palabas niya, simula sa Bituing Walang Ningning, saka po yung mga unang-una. Tapos ngayon po yung idol.
Actually po, i-retrieve ko po yung laptop ko po. And then, yung pagdaan po namin dito nung barkada ko po, wala pong kamalay-malay, kumuha po ng isang reg form yung barkada ko po and then binigay po tapos tinulak na po ako sa booth po. Yun, kaya ako din sumali kasi crush na crush ko talaga si Sarah Geronimo. In terms of singing, versatile po siya. Tapos acting, okay naman po, magaling. Lalo na yung acting niya dun sa Bituing Walang Ningning.
Nakita ko po kasi may parang contest po ng singing contest. Gusto ko po munang magkaroon po ng pagkakataong sumikat po. Gusto ko rin po matulungan mga magulang. Kaya po ako sumali po dito sa contest na to. Siyempre po kasi po, ang ganda po ng boses niya. Nagsimula po siya sa maliit na karil, tapos ngayon sikat na po siya. Kaya ganon ko po siya ka-idol.
Na may nagsabi sa akin na eto nga daw sa may superstar na pwedeng mag-talent kahit sino. And then, yun, nagbaka sakali ako, bumaba, tapos, ayan, kumanta, nakita ng iba, kaso ko kabado. Kaya gusto kong sumali para makasama sa concert niya. Yun.
www.superstar.ph, ang first ever 3D online karaoke game. None other than our pop princess, Miss Sarah Geronimo!
Congratulations in advance sa ating magiging 15 lucky winners. Ayan. Nakita na po ba natin lahat sila? Hi, Popsters! Nakita ko lang. Okay. Ayan. Gusto ko po kung mag-perform para sa inyo this afternoon. And music!
You're heading to the exercise. Oh, 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 oh. Bring it to the dance floor. Oh, you know I'm calling on you. Oh, hey. Bring it to I get it away from. Oh, oh. Salamat po.
Ito po, kakatapos lang po ng activity natin for Superstar. Ito po yung nakita natin, napakinggan natin yung mga nag-auditions. Ngayon yata sila pipili ng 15 lucky winners. So, yun. Excited tayo dyan.
Ano yung characteristics ng isang superstar?
Siyempre, masipag. At, yun nga, courageous. At, siyempre, faithful kay Lord at saka sa talentong ibinigay sa kanya ni Lord.
After a short break, tuloy ulit sa Record Breaker concert tour. I feel rested and energized matapos ang maikling pahinga. Nabisita ko na ang Luzon at Visayas, kaya it's time to fly to Mindanao. Zamboanga City, here I come!
Maraming mga magagandang malong dito sa Zamboanga.
May 5 kaming klaseng malong. Yung pinakamaganda naming malong na hukok, ito first class, galing Indonesia. At ito naman ang RJ, first class nito, pangalawang klaseng malong yan. At ito naman ang Rosalinda, tinatawag nilang malong na Rosalinda. Saleable ito sa amin kasi first class. At ito naman yung metallic. Ang metallic na ito, kakaiba kaya, metallic ang tawag niya, may silver yan, first class nito. At ito naman yung Aladdin namin, makapal, first class kaya lang, kahit maglibad, kunti lang yan. Ito yung second class namin na malong manipis, maglubad din. Pero malong, batik din ito sir, hindi ito Bali 5 klaseng malong namin. Ito, metallic, hukok, Rosalinda, Aladdin, at saka second class na Aladdin.
Sikat ang malong dito sa Zamboanga.
Ito yung metallic namin, kaya tinatawag siya metallic kasi may mga glitter at saka may mga metal. Kaya siya ganyan. Maganda siya. At saka malaki. Jumbo size. Ayan. Bili na kayo kasi mura lang dito sa barter. Kanila barter. Ito yung Rosalinda na malong. Kaya siya tinawag na Rosalinda kasi makulay. Colorful, tapos may mga triangle, may mga square, mayroong pahaba. Ito yung Aladdin, ito yung kaunahang lumabas na batik na Aladdin. Karamihan ng Aladdin, ang background, brown, violet, green, yellow.
I believe because when I still young, I believe to her, and my mother is going with me. Me and my mother is going here sometimes Saturday. We are here.
Since I was small, my mother is devoted also in our place in Dumaguete, and then I came here to find a work. Then I meet my friend here in Zamboanga. Then I already reside here in Zamboanga. I have 4 children, and then after that, my devotees in our place, I also bring here, going to church every day, like that, until I become married and have my children, and also
Zamboanga is one of the oldest cities in the Philippines, very, very rich in culture and history. No other city in Mindanao can match the culture, the history, the diversity of Zamboanga City. Actually, there are 122 cities in the Philippines, and out of this 122, in terms of population, Zamboanga is very high in the list, number 6. We can say that Zamboanga is the bastion of Christianity in Mindanao because Zamboanga was the first diocese in the island of Mindanao. In fact, we just celebrated our 100th year, our centennial year for the Archdiocese of Zamboanga. And all the other dioceses and prelatures in Mindanao were born out of the Diocese of Zamboanga. And we have a very, very strong devotion to Our Lady Nuestra Señora La Virgen del Pilar. Actually, natutuwa kami. We're very, very happy that Sarah is back in Zamboanga. She's been here before. This is not her first time. And I'm sure that the concert, as usual, will be another big success, no? And so, as we say in Chabacano, bienvenidos a Zamboanga con Sarah Geronimo.
Malayo man sa Metro Manila, I felt at home and very much welcome sa ipinakitang suporta ng mga taga Zamboanga sa akin, led by its Mayor Honorable Celso Lobregat. Sinamahan pa ako ng mga malalapit kong kaibigan sa industriya. Kaya naman, the Record Breaker concert tour in Zamboanga City was a breeze.
Buenas noches from Zamboanga City. Ito po, ready na po ako. Naka-made up na po ako, naka-makeup na at tapos na po ang aking hairdo. At ready na po kami. Hinihintay na lang po namin yung tawag po para po pumunta na kami sa venue, sa Summit Center. Hi!
Summit!
Pupunta na po kami na venue, Summit Center. Tara na, excited na ako.
Well, ganun pa rin. Like, kung ano naman si Sarah, like, kahit na yun yung natutunan namin na lahat kami yung sa pagiging artista namin, na kahit 3 lang ang nanonood or kahit 3,000 or 15,000 yung nanonood, dapat pareho pa rin yung ibibigay mo kasi may mga taong nandyan para manood sa'yo. At syempre, for us din as performers, yun din yung passion namin na gawin. Like, for me, passion ko sa pagsasayaw. That's why pagka ginagawa ko siya, sobre binubuhos ko lahat.
For 7 years. I mean, 7 years na kami dito sa business and every year walang taon na hindi kami magkasama sa isang trabaho. So, happy ako dahil kahit papaano na napapasama pa rin ako sa mga shows ni Sarah and nakikita pa rin kami.
Fortunate to have been blessed with so many good friends and loyal supporters all over the country. Kaya naman, walang sawa ako sa aking pagpapasalamat sa lahat. To all my friends in the industry, thank you for your trust. To all my fans, no words can express how much I appreciate your undying support. To God be the glory. To my next entry, sincerely, Sarah.
Not enough for me to love you. I'd spend another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love.